Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrook from MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the lake checking out an absolute legend of a boat, the Chris Craft 22 Launch. This is a 2016 model that we have up here. You can see this boat, throughout the entirety of it, it is dedicated to luxury. It is one of the smoothest, nicest riding boats that you can have from Chris Craft. You can see we got these nice big loungers up here in the bow, and then the teak in this boat. We got accents all throughout as well as all down the side. It just makes a super sleek look on here. You also got some dedicated anchor storage under this bow seat here. We'll get up and move back just a little bit. You can see we got this nice stainless steel air tone horn right in front of the helm there, right in front of our curved windshield as well. It does close so you can keep that wind off your face. Keeping up with the teak, you can see we got this nice teak steering wheel, and it does have a self-leveling logo on there, so it always looks upright, keeping the aesthetic in mind. You got a Simrad Go 5 has been added to this boat, so you've got your chart plotter, engine management on there, fish finder, whatnot, as well as several analog gauges on the dash and all of your switches to control while you're underway on this boat here. You got trim tabs that go along with it, make sure you got the smoothest ride possible. Over here on the port side, you can see we do have a nice glove box here. It's where your Fusion stereo main unit is held, and you do have a remote controller for that on the captain's side as well. That Fusion powers full JL audio stereo throughout this boat. Some 2 tweeters right here in the twin helms, as well as speakers in the bow and in the cockpit here. These are super nice stainless railed captain's chairs. They are full swivel, and they slide back and forth as well. Cup holders tucked away inside. Keep those out of sight. Keep your drinks steady while you are underway on this boat here. And it does have this nice woven vinyl flooring that is just snapped in, so you're able to pop it out if you want to have a non-skid, or you can take it out to clean it. Either way there. Back, you've got these nice bench seats on the back here with that teak in the middle. Just a super clean look, and storage under both of these seats, as well as your battery switches right down in there. On back just a little bit further, you can see this is your engine compartment. Underneath here, you've got a Mercruiser 350, so big V8 on here, lots of power for this 22-footer. And then under there, you also have your bimini top that you'll be able to put and cover this whole cockpit here. This boat does have a freshwater tank on board. You fill right here, and that's for your transom sprayer in the back on your swim platform, which is also full teak back there. So you have that spray down to spray your feet, your legs, or just spray down the swim platform itself if it happens to get dirty while you're out there. If you've got any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give me a call at 803-610-7828. That's me, Blake Holbrook.